Teaching a baby to roll over is an important developmental milestone that helps build strength and coordination. By using simple techniques and offering plenty of encouragement, you can make this learning process enjoyable for your baby. Here are some helpful tips to guide you in supporting your baby as they master rolling over. Keep up with tummy time. This exercise helps to strengthen neck and core. It also gives baby time to try rolling, because they are in the right position. Tummy time is also a great position to start practicing weight shifting which is needed to roll. Tummy time mat is a fun and engaging way to encourage your baby to enjoy tummy time. Splash and Kids features a water-filled, inflatable surface with colorful and floating toys that move around when touched. This setup helps stimulate your baby's sensory development, strengthens their muscles, and makes tummy time more enjoyable. Place your baby on their belly on a clean play mat or towel on the floor. Place attractive, bright, and colorful objects around them. This encourages your child to turn their head to view things. Start out for 3 to 5 minutes 3 times a day, building up to about 15 minutes. Encourage your baby to reach for toys while they are on their tummy. Doing so will help them practice shifting their weight to one side, which is essential for developing movement skills and coordination. This exercise supports their motor development and strengthens their muscles. Gently rock your baby's hips while they are on their back to help them learn how to shift their weight. This movement is crucial for rolling over. By practicing this, your baby can become more comfortable with the motion and learn to roll over more easily. Verbal encouragement is important for your baby's development. Praise them when they make progress toward rolling over by clapping, smiling, and cheering. This positive reinforcement motivates them and makes the learning process more enjoyable. Lay your baby on a wedge to help them start rolling over. The incline of the wedge makes it easier for them to begin the rolling motion. You can also place a blanket under them for extra support and to assist with the roll. This setup provides gentle encouragement and helps them practice the movement. With consistent practice and supportive techniques, you'll help your baby build the skills needed to roll over confidently and enjoyably.